In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a chain using AutoCAD. Hello everyone, this is Milad, back again with another AutoCAD tutorial. Here you can see the specifications of the chain we'll be modelling in this session. We'll be using AutoCAD 2026 for 3D modelling throughout this tutorial. To begin, since all the dimensions are in millimeters, I start by setting the units to millimeters using the units command. Next, I draw a rectangle using the rectang command with dimensions of 38 by 16 millimeters. Now, to create the gap in the chain link, I need to draw some guidelines using the line command. Then, I use the trim command to remove the unnecessary parts along with the guidelines. The corners of the link should be rounded, so I apply the fillet command to create curves. I set the fillet radius to 8 millimeters. Each of the four corners needs this curve, so I repeat the process for all of them. Now it's time to draw the cross-section of the link. The cross-section is a circular profile with a radius of 3 millimeters. I draw this using the circle command. Next, I rotate the section along the path using the 3D-rotate command. Since the circle is a closed line and not yet a region, I convert it using the region command. I change the visual style to conceptual for better clarity. Then, I use the sweep command to sweep the circular profile along the path. As you can see, the chain link is now formed. To close the gap, just like in real chains where the ends are welded together, I model a small cylindrical volume using a circular profile and extrude it using the extrude command. This volume should fill the open space as a simulated weld. It seems that the volume I created is a bit too large. I switch the visual style to see it more clearly and scale it down to fit the area better. Then, I switch to the shaded visual style to give a more realistic look. I use fillet edge to round off the edges of the weld and make it look more natural. To create a full chain, I need multiple links. So I select the entire link and use the copy command to duplicate it. After placing the new link, I rotate it 90 degrees so it is perpendicular to the first one. It seems I need to adjust its position slightly, so I use the Move command to align it properly. This time, I select both links and copy them together. A chain is formed by repeating pairs of links, so I continue copying them until the full chain is formed. And there you have it. The chain is now complete and you can view it from different angles. Follow me for more practical AutoCAD tutorials.